Today we're going to be installing some rear louvers on this 2011 Chevy Camaro. Y'all stay tuned. Alright guys, so we're here. I'm going to go ahead and paint this louver glossy black to complement the spoiler. I'm going to try to get the same finish. As you can see, a little bit rough texture, but I'm going to try to accomplish that, and hopefully it looks good. So I'm going to go ahead and do the first coat and see y'all later. Alright, so this is the second coat, waiting for it to dry. That way I could do the third coat. It's looking good. It's a lot more glossier now. I don't know if the camera catches that, but you could tell a difference. Just gives it a little bit more of a glossy instead of a matte finish. So I'll probably do like 2 more coats, if not 3. I'll see how it goes. So I'll be updating y'all. Yeah, so this is the color you got. Looks really good. I like it. Alright, so we're gonna get to cleaning. Just some glass cleaner. Clean all the window nice. Alright, so this is gonna be what I'm gonna use for installation. 3M, pretty thick. And this one's actually glue for the emblem and trim. Hopefully this one works. It's for emblem, so it's nothing that's gonna be permanent. I mean, it might stick pretty good, but I'm gonna worry about that whenever it's time to take the louvers off. For now, I'm gonna use this. Alright, well here it is. I was measuring it, it's already good. I'm gonna put a little bit. I don't know if I'm gonna do all across on the top or just on the 4 corners. That way when I take it out, if I need to take it out, it doesn't become too hard of a project to do. But I also want to cover this right here, that way there's no air, just in case it wants to rip it off. So it's really important for me to get all this right here really glued in. So I'm gonna go ahead and do that. Alright, well there it is. It's installed. So yeah, as you saw, I ended up putting glue on top, and then on the corner here, and then the corner over here. And that's just for added precautions. I heard with the 3M tape, that's all you needed, but just want to be sure that it's gonna stay there for a while. So I'll be back in 2 days and give you an update, and then we'll close the video. Alright guys, well here it is. Final review. Just washed my car. Here's the louver. Really sturdy. It works wonderful. So I really recommend the emblem glue and the 3M. I took it on the highway and I had no rattling at all from the cabin. We also had a sandstorm, so I mean it passed like sandstorm test as well. Now the cleaning, I mean, it's not gonna be perfect. Here's the sun, but put it through here. The cleaning's not perfect. It looks good from the outside. Now from the inside, it does look a little bit more dirty. But I mean, if you're not worried about that at all, it doesn't bother you, I mean, it looks really good. Let me give you a look from the inside. This is the inside, the view you get. For me, it doesn't bother me, so you can still see everything. But I mean, for some people, this could kind of bother them. So that's the look you get. I mean, I really like this louver. The install, I mean, it's easy and it looks really good. So if y'all have plans and y'all haven't decided, for me, in my opinion, I really like it and it's a pretty good install. So there you go. So well, this is the end of the video. Here's the louvers installed. It passed the test. Hope y'all liked and enjoyed this video. If y'all like what I'm doing, go ahead and subscribe and like this video and just be ready for more.